All right, we're gonna be working on our exterior cladding. We got steel going on the back side of the house, but here on the right side, you can actually see we have an architectural detail that's going to be all wood. Now I have structural steel that is painted to match this canvas series from Versatex. Now this wall is actually all PVC tongue and groove. Check this stuff out. So this is all gonna be completely impervious to the weather. And you can see it has a printed layer that looks like finished perfect material. So the second that we install it on the side of the house, it's ready to go. Now we're gonna take the same material and do the inside wall cladding on the hallway on the interior. So it flows from the outside to the inside. Check out how this looks when we put it on. Ready? Good? All right, now normally you would do tongue and groove from the bottom up, but with this we want to make sure that our tongue is up and the groove is down so that water doesn't get behind the siding. Now what we're going to be doing is actually putting them in with exterior self-tapping screws and these little clips. Check this out. Really easy. Of course we got metal studs, which makes everything a little bit more complicated. But look at this. You simply put these here. There you go, 16 inches on center. We're gonna have this done in just a few.